Good evening, and a warm welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you how you can do more things with beer besides drinking it. Besides being a refreshing beverage, there are a number of ways beer can be used around the home and garden. It's a lawn fertilizer, household cleaner, beauty regimen, cooking ingredient, and much more. When cleaning up after a party, you might find bottles or cans that still contain leftover warm flat beer. You'll be tempted just to spill it down the drain. Well, don't. It still has some use. If you've got fine, thin, or oily hair, this is a spectacular way to give it sheen and bounce. Even though you're sure your significant other would love you to smell like beer and would think you found a new aphrodisiac, don't worry, that smell will not linger. Simply shampoo and rinse hair as usual. Pour a glass of the flat warm beer on your hair and work it through. Rinse thoroughly and condition as normal, rinsing afterwards with cool water. Beer can actually help grow thick, fuller, and healthier hair, since it is a rich natural source of vitamins and proteins. Create a beer bath. It does not mean that you will bathe in 100% beer and get tipsy. Soaking in beer may be a new concept for North Americans, but in Europe, it's been practiced for centuries with glowing results. The compounds present in beer provide a powerful anti-aging cocktail. Research suggests that bathing in bubbly brew may actually help restore a more youthful appearance to aging skin with improved elasticity and exfoliation. In addition, the yeasts and other ingredients in beer are great skin softeners. Using beer to get coffee or tea stains out of your rug may seem as feasible as getting water out of a rock, but beer can be a miracle worker in this field. Color test a small non-visible area first and allow to dry. If all looks well, then time to tackle the stain. Douse it in beer, blot, repeat. Beer works well for polishing wooden furniture. Rub flat beer gently onto furniture using a soft cloth. Then buff dry with a clean dry cloth. The color of the malt will bring out the wood's hue, and the alcohol boosts shine. Use it also to polish brass pots. Using a soft cloth, gently rub beer onto the pot. Let the pot sit for a while. Rinse and dry with another soft cloth. The acids in the beer work wonders on most metals. Beer can get rid of brown spots in your lawn. The acids in beer kill off fungi and pests, and the fermented sugars feed the grass. The sugars in beer are also enjoyed by your garden vegetables and flowers. In addition, you can fertilize your indoor plants. Just be careful not to overdo it with indoor plants, since they are contained and not subject to the cleansing distribution of rain. Use flat beer, just a small amount, at the base of the plant. Worms are a gardener's best friend, but slugs are not. Entice them with a little beer, which slugs love. Simply pour a little into some empty jars and place them in the soil, with the rims of the jars above ground. The slugs will drop in for a drink, but they can't get back out. One of the best ways to add flavor and a little extra liquid to a chili is with a nice bottle of beer. Use the darker beers, they have more flavor and add more punch. You can also make healthful, high-fiber beer bread with it. In addition, jasmine rice cooked in beer will not be lumpy, and it'll have a nuttier flavor. Beer is one of the most overlooked components of many do-it-yourself solutions to common household problems. So next time, put that flat warm beer to good use. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.